Good afternoon, Rogue Headquarters. How can I help you? Yes, of course you can help me. I would love to have some plans for equipment. Okay, and who am I talking to? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, my bad. You're speaking to Barrookie. I have a YouTube channel that is based around fitness, like calisthenics, weightlifting, and we also have a section where we do DIY stuff and we try to make gym equipment with wood and with materials that regular people can handle. And we're also about to hit 7K subscribers. Wow, you're hitting 7,000 subscribers a day? Yes. That is actually awesome. That is very impressive. Those are actually the athletes that we are looking for. Yes, I would love to work together. I'm writing an email as we speak. Oh, great, just like that? That's amazing, yes. The email is coming your way. Have a good day, sir, and good luck. Awesome doing business with you. Oh, thank you so much, sir. Yes, have a good day. See ya. Oh my God, they are going to send the plans to me.
A few moments later.
Oh, I got an email. Whoa, and it's actually from Rogue. So it says top secret plans do not show on YouTube. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the most awesome home gym on the internet. So today we are going to talk about how to get awesome equipment and how to make it yourself. So I've just recently made a plyo box. It's pretty awesome, but I thought making a video about a plyo box would probably not get that much attention and would not be as beneficial as the video you're about to see. Instead of me showing how to make a plyo box, I'm going to use the plyo box as an example as to how you can make almost anything for yourself. So people usually ask for plans because obviously the most awesome thing and the most easiest thing to actually make something is by using a plan with a cutout list and just do it like that. Obviously not everyone wants to do the engineering like a reverse hyper as I have here or a pegboard that I have over there. Now, to make something like this, you can just start from scratch, try to invent something, but the guys at Rogue, they already did the research, right? They are paid to do the research to make sure that the dimensions are correct, that the equipment is as strong as possible. So I think by looking at their websites and looking at the dimensions, you can learn a lot on how to build an actual piece of equipment and to get the dimensions right. So why would Rogue be so stupid to put out the measurements and the plans on their websites? Well, actually, if you're in the market to buy something, you want to know if it fits within your home gym or within your gym in general. So you want to know the dimensions to see, is this piece of equipment for you? Right? It's not, Rogue doesn't think, oh no, people are going to steal our products and they're going to make them themselves. They don't care, right? They actually don't care. These companies make a lot of profit from the equipment that they sell. And in these times, I don't think they have any problem selling stuff. In fact, they probably have some problems making stuff on time. But enough of that, let's go to the computer. Let me show you the process that I went through to making a plyo box. Because yes, you can just make a box. It's just 6 sides, put them together and you have a box. But if you can do it the exact way that the manufacturer's doing it and charging $160, then it would be awesome if you could do it the same way, have the gratification of actually making it yourself, and getting to use an awesome product that is like 1/6 of the cost. So let me show you. Okay, so here we have the Rogue website, and that is an example of the reverse hyper. Let me zoom you guys in here for a second. I know I could do screen capturing, but this will do as well. So here you have a picture of the reverse hyper with all its dimensions. So you know it's 51.5 inches for the base, it's 45 inches for the height. So that is like decent information. If you know the height of your equipment, if you know the base, then you can start to figure stuff out for yourself. And that is actually what I went through when making the reverse hyper. Now, for the plyo box, for example, that one was great. So I really wanted a plyo box that is 50 by 40 by 30 centimeters. You typically have bigger plyo boxes, like these ones. But what I was really after was like the puzzle cut that they use. Let me zoom in, boom. Like you can see that all of these pieces are like a puzzle. So they fit together very nicely and it's going to form a very strong connection. So if you were to make a box for yourself, you would probably not think about making these connections, and you would just screw the sides into each other and you would have a functional box, but it would probably not be as strong as this one is going to be. That was my reference for making a plyo box. You go to the Rogue website, you look, here they are really showing you how it's made so that you can, for yourself, determine how to make it. So let me show you what I did going on from this point. So you have basically 3 sides that you need to engineer, and then it's just a copy of one another. So you have boom, boom, boom. Okay, so those are the 3 sides. So what do you know? Well, this side needs to be 30 centimeters, boom, by 40 centimeters, boom. Then you need a side that is 30 centimeters by 50, and then you need one that is 40 by 50, okay? You do that times 2. This is the pieces of wood that you would need for this project. Now, how do we get this? Well, you look at the template that they provide here for you, and you can say, okay, if I get those pieces of wood, then all I need to do really is you take your drawing thingy, boom. Okay, I need to cut out something along here. Boom! That is your design. This is basically how I work if I'm making a project. You just go online, see the rough idea, make it your own, so the dimensions are not the same, but the principle stays the same, and that is, in my opinion, the most important thing. I'm going to show you a time lapse of the cutting, just to give you an example. There we go. Boom! Okay, so that is actually how I work if I'm planning on making something. For some people, maybe for most people, this is like a little bit of a hassle. Maybe you don't want to go through that. That's perfectly fine. That's why we provide plans. That's why I give you tutorials on how to do stuff step by step. But for those people who want to like get the extra challenge, this could be it for you. You can just go to the website, make stuff for yourself, and be like awesome. So I'm going to end with a time lapse of me putting together the plyo box. I'm going to show it right now, and that is going to wrap up the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got something out of it. I know it's not really sports related, but if you're in the market to build something for yourself, I think it's a great place to start. Watching YouTube videos, 1, hitting that like button, 2, subscribing, awesome. Okay, no, just kidding. Please do all these things, but you really are going to understand what you are building and why certain steps are being taken if you're following a YouTube tutorial. So I know it's not for everyone, but for those of you out there, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!